Hi, my name is Mark. When I first purchased this flat, I told myself and my family do agree that this whole place really needs a revamp. For the initial stage of the renovation process, I actually spoken to Alex and also Zach. I'm not sure that it's a challenge for them, but it's going to be a cozy area for the whole 7 of us actually dwelling together in this home. So we actually start to look for projects actually in YouTube, some examples, and also the type of ideas that my kids have. And it is really a superb job where they actually executed, whereby there were plans, sketches, 3D drawings. That was enough actually to please me. It was really well executed in terms of designs and stuff like that. My favorite part of the house, I would think, is the living room area and the dining area. It's a kind of a cozy area whereby every now and then when I came back from home, the living room and the dining area is actually one of the places where I like to relax. During the renovation process, although there was actually hiccups, but I guess both Alex and Zach actually handled the situation very well. In terms of updates, they are actually very good and prompt at their services, whereby we actually do come with a collaboration, and whenever there's actually issues or there's a proposal from both of them, we will actually sit down and they will actually give their listening ears to the extent to actually very late at night on certain days. So I do appreciate the services that both Alex and actually Zach have actually disseminated in terms of their professionalism. I felt that actually with the founder and owner being interviewed by celebrities, there's this catch that actually I was quite interested in, whereby there are some certain items that was actually lifetime warranty, which actually allows homeowners to actually look for the contractor itself whenever we have any issues with any defects, which I think is a good kind of a gesture from the renovators itself. And besides that, actually, I think there is a super app. It is a form of an update platform whereby Rest and Relax do update their customers in terms of the progress of the renovation process itself. I would really recommend to my friends or colleagues. It says it all in my project itself in terms of service, designs, tip-top. I think you can't ask for more. They have given us actually a really great experience. Thank you, Rest and Relax.